Lisa Kitchen. So friend, here I am back with a new recipe that is specially for Janmashtami. So it is rice kheer, or you can say it payasam or payas. So it is made with milk and rice and lot of other ingredients also, and it is decorated with dry fruits and coconut too. So don't skip the video and let us know how to make this rice kheer. And so let's get started. To make a perfect rice kheer, first you have to take a full fat milk. Here I took 2 liters of full fat milk. So I took it in a container. So after here I wash off the Govindavok rice, or you can use any other rice. And after washing, now I'll add here water and I will soak it for 30 minutes. Now keep aside for a while. Now I will boil this milk. So the ingredient here we need is cashew nut. Here I have soaked it in the water, and some raisins or dry grapes, you can say. You can see here. After that we need is a cardamom or elaichi. So we have to bring this in a boil. Now here I'll add some elaichi or cardamom in the milk, so that you can get a perfect flavor of the elaichi. And don't forget to keep stirring. After that you can add the elaichi powder also from this elaichi. Now it's time to add sugar. I'm taking here 2 cups of sugar, adding one by one. So I will add this all. After that I'm adding this sugar before to dissolve the sugar properly in the milk. Our soaked rice is ready. After 30 minutes, you can see here. Now add the rice in the milk. Now keep stirring for a while continuously and cook it for 10 minutes now. You have to keep stirring, otherwise it will be very sticky from down. You can see here now it is boiling. So after boiling, now you will add the cashew nuts, soaked cashew nuts and the raisins. I have shown you before. Add them. So after that, stir again. There must be a creamy texture and the rice should be nicely cooked. It must be soft, so you have to check it out whether the rice is being cooked and it has been tendered. So here I am adding the grated coconut on the same. It provides thickness to the kheer. You can see here. So going ahead and cooking it for at least 5 to 10 minutes until it reaches right consistency. Going ahead doing the same process. Now stirring again and again. You can see here the milk has been half in quantity, and this is the consistency I'm looking for. I don't want to thicken more than this, so I will now turn off the heat. Here goes the grated coconut again. So I like coconut very much, and it gives a perfect texture and the flavor of the coconut. So here we go. Now mix it well. Let it rest for a while and let it cool down. So I am going to serve it. You can see here after serving here, I am garnishing it with grated coconut again and some dry fruits. You can add any dry fruit you want. It took hardly about 15 to 20 minutes to cook the rice kheer to get a perfect thick and creamy rice kheer. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Do subscribe, like and comment and let me know how was the recipe. Bye bye.